students should know so that you can have a basic understanding about the artificial intelligence, which is a new buzz in today's era. This buzzword is artificial intelligence, which we are using nowadays. But actually, we should understand what is artificial intelligence. The course which I am going to teach is fundamental so that the beginners can understand what is artificial intelligence. So viewers, I think you are ready to learn what is artificial intelligence. And if you are new to artificial intelligence, you will understand it clearly from the fundamentals. Okay. So first we will study what is AI. That is, we'll go to the introduction to AI. So AI means artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Are we using artificial intelligence? Yes. AI is among us, not only for the educated people, even from layman to the well-educated people are using AI. For example, I will tell you that you assume an auto driver is there. Uh, you will be wondering how AI is playing a vital role in his life. You assume that a passenger is coming to an auto driver and asking that he has to go for another destination via his auto. So the auto driver will ask where he want to go. So he will find out, he will go to Google Map. So going to Google Map will tell him where the destination, what is the shortest path, which road is less traffic, the road is good, road is good condition. So these all will receive to a Google Map by satellite. You can even understand the speed of other vehicle. So speed of other vehicles can also be understood. So now you can see that here AI is in action. So this is the first place where an auto driver is using AI for one trip. The next, what after reaching the destination, what the passenger will do, he will pay him the money. So for that, he will use UPI transaction. See, you can see how quickly he will send the money to the auto driver. He need not wait for the change, and he cannot ask for whether this is a good money or not. Whether it is. We need not to check for the authority of the money which is being paid. So this transaction of money will be happening within a fraction of a second, as you all know, isn't it? It will be happening quickly. We imagine that like this, million of people will transact a money in all over the world. All will happen legitimately without any fraud quickly. So this is the place where the auto driver is using this AI in the second time on his journey. See, you assume that if the passenger is conveying the place where he wants to reach in another language, which the auto driver cannot understand, what he will do, he will use this Google Lens. Assume these are all the examples I'm telling. Google Lens, which will be act as a translator. for the auto driver to understand the address where he has to go. So this is the third place where AI is coming into picture for one trip. Likewise, the auto driver will keep on moving multiple times. He will use AI. So this is one methodology, and auto driver is handling the AI. Similarly, you can also assume that how this AI is playing a major role in our daily life. You assume that you are getting up in the morning and you want to check the mail. So when you are checking the mail, you can see the mail will be classified as inbox, where the required primary mails will be there. Then spam will be there, where unwanted mail will be going. Then promotional will be there. Promotional mail will be there. Then social mails will be there. So all these are classified, which is a part of an AI. Similarly, AI has entered into the e-commerce also. So AI is already exist. AI is already exist. Now our purpose is to understand the AI, its uses, functions, and how to apply. So are you ready to understand it and use it even better? If you are ready, this course will help you to understand what is AI. So this AI, like an electricity power, which is already available and we are using it, but we cannot see. Similarly, this AI is also into and with us. Only thing is we should understand and you should use it better. Okay. So you should not assume an artificial intelligence is like a robo or a science fiction. It is a reality which is happening and we have to realize it. For that, you should understand what is artificial intelligence. So having finding out the existence, now I'll tell you what is AI. What is artificial intelligence. So you may think, what is AI? How does it differ from human intelligence? So now you can guess what is artificial intelligence and how it is differing from human intelligence. So for that, first I'll teach you what is intelligence. So before going into artificial intelligence or human intelligence, I'll tell you what is intelligence. So I'll show with the help of a picture. Assume here it is an industry and here a computer. I will draw, and here information and here a field. So in early days, when we are human race was evolved, their basic need is food and shelter. In that, primary is food. When food is the primary requirement, we started cultivating. The civilization was growing by cultivating food, wheat, or whatever it is required. So when there is need, we will go into it and will produce, and it will become abundant and it will be cheap. So once we have satisfied with food, we want to luxury things. So we went for industry revolution, where we required skilled labors. For that, manpower is required. Once manpower is adequately there, we have to make a speed of information. So you should do lot of production. So you went for system or a computer which does more work compared to that of a human being. Then we thought whatever it is available, it has to be shared immediately. So it went wireless. So information it becomes free. So information is available in abundance. Now we are in an era of intelligence. So now when intelligence is become free, you go for the next one. So now we are in the place of change where intelligence is free, and this is the era where we have to understand the intelligence need and how to use it after understanding it. So now we know what is intelligence. We will see what is human intelligence, okay, for understanding human intelligence. So first we know what is intelligence. Now we will know what is human intelligence. For this, I will explain with a small example. You assume that a kid is there. The kid want to drive a bicycle. So first thing is, it will get the cycle, but immediately the kid won't climb on the cycle to ride it because it will have fear. Fear factor will be more. It will have more fear, and curiosity of learning will be there, but it won't ride it because the kid is not learned how to ride it. So the father will teach it while the kid is learning to ride the bicycle first time. The kid won't get a proper balance, so it may go to left side or right side. He may fall down, he'll cry, and he'll stop on the day. The next day, when the practice section starts, the kid will not be that much fear as the day before, but it will try to rectify the problem which happened yesterday. So it will try to balance the cycle without shaking the hip or moving left side or right side. He tried to balance and ride the cycle. Then that day, the cycle and that training session will be over. The next day he'll come. He'll think that yesterday the balance was good, but the cycle was not going in a steady state. So for that, what we should not bend our head, we should look forward and ride in a steady manner. So steady riding is required. So now the next day, without any fear, the kid will take the cycle and ride it gently without anyone's support, and it will make furthermore improvement like riding in one hand, riding speed like that. It will try to do all other improvements later once it is getting the confidence of knowledge. So from this example, what you are understanding is intelligence is nothing but intelligence is equal to learning plus adapting plus improving. So that is intelligence. So here the kid each day balancing steady and improving all these things because of its learning, adapting and improving. So from this thing, what you're understanding is intelligence is the ability to learn from experience and get better at solving the problem. So if there is any problem, we have to solve it from the experience which we have learned that has stored in the intelligence. Okay, so this is intelligence, human intelligence. Okay, so we know what is intelligence and what is human intelligence. So human intelligence is ability to learn from the experience and getting better at solving the problem. So when I'm telling solving the problem, if a problem is there, if asking that you have to solve a problem, solving problem. Usually what we will do first, we will try to solve with ourselves. With our knowledge, we'll try to find out a solution for the particular problem. If it is not so, what we'll do, we'll go for hiring. So we'll ask friends or we'll go for the next person who is well versed in this. Later on, if it is not, you will go for a device which can solve the particular problem. The device may be available with the company or in such research universities. So when it is